Stewie, do you like the box?
I'm so excited to finally get my stuff.
What does that say?
Jack's a prize. So I got 3 things. It's your last chance to guess before I open this up. Jack? Cabbages?
Packages.
Oh, packages, sorry.
Okay, so let's open them up.
Yeah. Go Jack, go Jack, go Jack. Let's see what it is.
Let's see.
Oh! Nice! Nice job, Jack! This is, so if any of you can guess what it is now, this is going to be your last chance to guess what this package is. Oh, yeah. Just what I had ordered for speed hurdles. So I was so excited because I saw a lot of drills recently that use speed hurdles. I was like, I wish I had speed hurdles. And then I got this coupon at SoccerX and I was like, I'm going to get some speed hurdles. Oh.
Yeah, you got it.
I do this. Yeah. I do, no. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, yeah. I'm number 4. So this is absolutely awesome. Next, the white packages. What's that? Oh, I hope what this is. Here we go. Oh, that. Some soccer player. My Canadian soccer jersey. I've been wanting a Canadian soccer jersey for so long, and now I finally have it. So Henry is like, Jack, that's your favorite, Canada.
Nice.
I'm just gonna try it on. Here it is, my Canadian soccer jersey. Do you like this, Henry? It looks cool, right?
Nice. Turn around.
Jack.
You look so good.
I'm gonna wear this
Oh,
to
he's
my
giving you
next.
thumbs up.
Thank you. I'm gonna wear this to my next practice for sure. Ready? Let's open this. We're just gonna.
Oh, can you go on the other side, Andrew, and hold the box? Let's see.
Come out. What is this? Yeah. So I also got a dummy to practice free kicks around. Like, how would you do that with you, Jack? You want to do moves around him, like your turns and stuff? No. You want to shoot around him? Wow.
Cool.
It's taller than me. Is it taller than you, Daddy? Let's see. Stand here, shoulder to shoulder.
Oh, yeah.
Taller. Is it taller than Henry? Wow. I'm so small.
Are you so small?
This is so awesome. I'm so excited for when the weather warms up a bit. For when the weather warms up a bit, and I can really practice my free kicks around it. Thank you, Soccer Nova Scotia. I'm so happy that I won this prize, and thank you to Soccer X2 for all of this amazing stuff.